Start ako sa kay Mike.
Dito na lang ako. Okay, happy birthday kay Racer. Siya, very happy na. How old are you? Wow! Yeah, nag-meet kami when he was just 20 and I was just 13. Ay, 19 lang pala, and then I was just 13, and I'm so happy na until now we're very close and super, guys, he's like the kindest member to me.
Birthday ko lang ata kayo siya.
And yeah, so super thankful kasi without you, hindi maganda yung mental health ko. Thank you, love you. Okay, message naman para sa akin.
Hello po. Good afternoon po, actors. And then, happy birthday to you. Wala na akong masabi kasi binati ko na siya ng marami kahapon. By the way, ganda ng suot ko. May pag-ganun pa siya. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you, Winston.
Sana magkanood mas friends. Mag-enjoy ka na lang palagi. Sana matuloy niyo yung sinasabi mo dulo cover natin. Yan lang, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Thank you. Super. Racer, happy birthday. Sa totoo lang ako masabi kasi lagi ko siyang kasama, lagi siyang bumibisita sa room ko. Thank you sa nag-celebrate sa birthday ni Racer na nandito kami. Thank you.
Peachy.
Happy 22nd birthday, Racer. Ang galing kasi, di ba, Toto, tapos 22 na siya. So, full circle talaga na 22 na siya. And it brings me joy na you're being very comfortable in your own skin and in expressing yourself, and especially to our anchor. So, I always am grateful na mas nagiging comfortable. So, happy birthday to more comfortable experiences. Grabe, talagang una pagpasok ko dito, nabigla ako kasi kami na nakapula pala lang siya. Bakit nakapula kayo tapos siya naka-blue?
Mukhang
masabi ko sa Racer, happy birthday and enjoy mo yung araw mo ngayon and stay where you are and God bless you. Love you. Thank you. Kanina talaga naghahanap ako ng pula, kaso wala. Kaya
Rob, hug na sila.